So over here you can see that I got a bunch of documents in my documents. And by default, you do not see an extension of these files, but they are in a certain format. So if you want to see their extension and be in control of the extension, what you can do is you can go around onto the View tab in the top while you're on the Explorer right here, and on the top, you will be able to see the option called File Name Extension. So once you turn this on, what happens is that you see the extension as well for the files that are here. As you can see, there are no extensions for folders. There's only extension for files right here. So you can see that this is XLSX, which is an Excel file format. So what you can do now is if you were to click to rename out a file, you can also change out the extension right here. So if I were to go around and remove out the extension, it wants us that if we change the name extension, it might become unusable. So if I were to press yes, now you don't see the Excel icon anymore. Let me just zoom in over here and go for medium or maybe extra large icons right here. You can see that over here you do not have the Excel icon anymore. But if I were to go around, click to rename and press dot right here and type in XLSX and press enter again, now it becomes an Excel document, as you can see right here. Same goes for doc as well. So if I were to go around and click over here, I can remove out the extension just like this, press yes, and this is what you have. So you can go around over here and then type in .docx and it becomes a Word document again. So sometimes when you erase out any extension, you can manually type in some extension as well, and it might just work out. So that is how you can enable file extensions. And if you want to disable file extensions, simply click on the check mark again and the file extension will remain hidden. So for some reason, if you want to access out file extension and you want to rename out file extension, then this is the process. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe